Welcome to the Fountain Residency Progress Report for November 2025. Our team has made solid progress on site. Drilling for piles is currently underway, setting the foundation for this luxury development. We are also bending, tying, and fixing steel reinforcement for the pile foundations to ensure long-term structural strength. As we move into the next phase, upcoming works will include concrete pouring to piles and bulk excavations for the basement area. Thank you for following our progress. Stay tuned for the next update from Fountain Residency.